How do you know if your SEO is better than your competitors on Amazon? Well, you can utilize a tool that I'm going to be showing you in today's video. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to make you a millionaire on Amazon. If you stay until the end of the video, I'm also going to be giving you tips on how to get a free access to Helium 10. Let's dive in. And then so what you can do is type, let's say you're selling a mail enhancement, and this is your product right here. And this is your competitor's product on the left, so this is yours. You can copy your ASIN, so all you have to do is just open this. Your ASIN starts with B as in boy. You're going to plug it in and go into helium10.com. You're going to go to Cerebro. You're going to plug in your listing, and it's going to give you a rank, an organic rank. So here it is. This organic rank is 2,233. Pay to zero, that means they're not running any Amazon ads. But 2,233 is very good. If you put your listing into this and you're under 800, your rank is under 800, that means your SEO is no bueno. So anything below 800 is not good in my professional opinion. Our goal for our clients is always to get above 800 because if you have 2,233, it means you're showing up over 2,000 times on Amazon. So somebody can type in male enlargement pills, this will show up. And male enhancement pills, this will show up. Enhancement pill. So they're showing up a lot on Amazon. The more you show up organically, the more sales you will generate. It's that simple. So you need to always be redoing your SEO. But if we look at their competitors and we're like, okay, how do we improve our SEO? Who's our competitors? What keywords are they using that we're not using? Right? We're going to look at one of their top competitors and then we're going to take it and we're going to put theirs into Cerebro. Remember, ours is 2,000 organic rank. We're going to click Get Keywords. We're going to look at one of their top competitors. And we can see that their top competitors, their organic rank is 8,000. Okay, that's not 2 times. That's more than 3 times as good as ours, right? So if ours is only 2,000 and our top competitor is 8,000 organic rank and they're running Amazon ads, what are we doing? All right. So first we need to start running Amazon ads like the #1 competitor, right? That's making 4 times, they are making 4 times as much sales too. So you need to put that in mind. They're making $300,000 a month where our product is making 32,000. Huge difference. If we can at least get to 50,000 or 100,000, that would be a win in my book. And to do that, you need to look at your competitors and see, okay, why are they generating so much more sales? And it's very evident using this tool to see that they are ranking so well on organic. That's the reason why. And organic SEO, I'm telling you right now, they didn't get this from just putting something in and then just saying, okay, we're going to be good, we're going to be #1. No, every 60 to 90 days, they are changing their description. They're updating their title with new keywords, right? They keep changing their bullet points, their title, their description every 60 to 90 days. That way, after 60 days, they're ranking for new keywords. Then they're ranking for and it sticks. And they keep ranking for more and more and more keywords. And that's what's helping them get seen more and generate more sales. So that's what we need to do. We need to pull their report. What keywords are they ranking for that we're not ranking for? And you can also, I already pulled a report. Here's a report. If you go into Cerebro and you pull the report, you can see, you can actually filter their organic rank, what they're ranking for from #1. They're ranking #1 for so many. Let's see how many keywords they're ranking #1 for. Whew. Quite a few. 367 keywords they're ranking #1. Ranking #1 means if you type in horny goat weed all together, they show up #1, listing #1. And that's where you want to show up as well. Or #2, or #3, or #4. Something's better than nothing. But if they're ranking for 4,000 more keywords, we are just missing out. So we need to optimize our SEO so we can show up on the first page too, right? Using to show up on the first page, that's going to help you generate as many sales as possible. And if you're not re-optimizing your SEO, you're out. And I already reviewed the listing that we're selling compared to the listing the competitor is selling, and we don't have mail enhancement in our anywhere in our listing. And the competitor is ranking number 1. Blue Chew, they're ranking number 1 if somebody types this in. Best mail enhancement, ranking number 1. We need to add these keywords, slowly implement them into our listing, into our description, into our bullet points, right? Look at, even, we don't have to implement all the keywords. Just something is better than nothing, right? Right now we're doing nothing. We're sitting there. We're not re-optimizing our listing, and that's what we should be doing to help us. Then after 60 days, what we can do is we can come back in here and we run the report and we see, did our organic rank increase? And yes, it will increase if you do this, and it'll slowly keep going up, and every 60 to 90 days you do the same thing. You're looking at this competitor, also look at some of your other competitors, right? So you can get more ideas and more keywords. Sometimes the new competitors come in with great keywords. I saw one of our products that our client sells, it's something naughty. And one of the new competitors started ranking, and instead of naughty, they put the word spicy. This is a spicy couples game instead of a naughty couples game. And I was like, oh my gosh, now we got to start using spicy. We got to start ranking for that. People are typing in spicy. So you need to look at new competitors, old competitors, people who are making more money than you, right? And see what you can do to improve every 60 to 90 days. You should be cycling. If you cycle it too quickly, you won't rank and it won't stick. So you need to do every 60 to 90 days to make sure it sticks on Amazon before you re-optimize your listing. And to get Helium 10 for free temporarily, you will not have access to Cerebro, but you will have access to a lot of the tools. All you have to do is click sign up now, and you just type in something random. You're like, this is random, jj@aa.com. Sign up. I just put random information. It doesn't ask you to verify your email or anything, which is awesome. I haven't started selling yet. And then you get access, not right now, you get access to some of the tools on Helium 10. So at least you get to try out Helium 10. You get to try out some of the tools like product research tool, Frankenstein. So it's pretty decent just to try it out before you buy it. If you did want to buy it and get a discount, it's in the description. But no need. This is just to show you what you can do on Amazon with different tools to help you stay on top of things and make sure you're improving and not declining, right? If you did learn something in today's video, please do drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I recommend you subscribe, because we're giving away all of the Amazon pro tips that we've learned from our clients in selling on Amazon. And that's going to help you become a millionaire on Amazon. If you need help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. We specialize on Amazon in different categories for your advertising, social media, counterfeit removal, customer service needs. And one of our best packages is our full account management package, where you work one-on-one with a consultant that I've trained for over 2 years. They look at your account, they go through and they say, here's a plan. We're going to go through, we're going to increase your sales. This is how we're going to do it. This is what, every 60 to 90 days, we're going to optimize your SEO. We're going to look at all of your competitors and remove any counterfeits, right? They're going to go through and optimize your products consistently over and over and over again to make sure you're generating sales. They're going to remind you about the holiday deals. They're going to make sure you're subscribed and you're enrolled, subscribe. Everything above that we can help you with. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and we're signing out.